How to work with frames and buttons. Frames are used to group elements of a window together. So for that we use the TTK method from the Tkinter module. So we import TTK from Tkinter, and then we create the variable frame, and we'll create the object of the TTK dot frame, and in the brackets you write root. So now this root is the root window. For this root window, now we have to import Tkinter first. So we'll import here Tkinter, and this root is the object of the Tkinter module's root window. So now we have the root object and the frame object. Now we will pack this frame into the root. So this will just attach your frame to the root window. So we give the fill. We'll say that it fills horizontally and vertically. So for that we write Tkinter dot both. This means that the frame takes up the space vertically and horizontally. Next we can write another parameter of this pack. Of this pack method is expand. So whether it expands or not. So we write expand is equal to true. We can also leave it and not write expand is equal to true. Now we will create buttons in the frame within the window. So I'll write button is equal to, and again I'll use the TTK method. So I'll write TTK dot button, and then in the brackets I'll write frame. So this button will be situated within the frame, and then we give the text that will be displayed on the button. So I write click here. Let's say this is button 1. I create another button 2. I'll give the text as cancel. Now we have two buttons on the root window within the frame. So now we write button 1 dot pack and button 2 dot pack. So this attaches the buttons to the root window. Now when we run this code, you will see that now there are two buttons here, click here and cancel. This is a very small window over here. So here I can do padding within the frame. So this means that how much space does the frame have from the root window. So there will be a space between the root window and the frame. So I have written 10, 10, 10, 10 as that means that there will be a space of 10 from the left, right, top and down. And I'll give the geometry of the root also. So I write 300 cross 300. And now you can see there is a much bigger window, and you can see there's a space on the top also and from the sides as well. So this is how our window looks with buttons and frames.